Miraculous gardening. What to plant in the fall. Miracle tip number 1. Relish root veggies and greens. Fill your garden and later your plate with root veggies like beets, carrots, rutabagas, turnips, and radishes, plus tasty greens like cabbage, Swiss chard, spinach, collards, kale, and lettuce. Miracle tip number 2. Eat your herbs. Cilantro, chives, parsley, sage, and thyme all flourish in the fall. Miracle tip number 3. Enjoy some annuals. Voila! Annual flowers like pansies, violas, chrysanthemums, petunias, and calibrachoa add instant color. Miracle tip number 4. Plant perennials. For beautiful fall blooms that will come back year after year, choose perennials like sedum, coral bells, coreopsis, black-eyed Susan, salvia, allium, and sweet flag. Miracle tip number 5. Bring on the bulbs. Many spring flowers actually begin in the fall. That's the best time to plant crocus, daffodil, narcissus, hyacinth, and tulip bulbs. Miracle tip number 6. Treat yourself to trees and shrubs. Happy up your landscape by choosing trees like maple, dogwood, honey locust, pine and spruce, plus fruit trees, and shrubs like hydrangea, blueberry, spirea, viburnum, and sweet shrub. Learn more about miraculous gardening at miraclegrow.com.